So normally if you see adverb of manner, the word always ends with ly. But when it comes to adverbs of time and place, they do not normally end in ly. So this is a rule when we deal with adverbs. So not all adverbs end in ly. So again I repeat, not all adverbs end in ly, the ending ly. Adverbs of time and place. So adverbs of time and place do not normally end in ly. So adverbs of time and place do not normally end in ly. So examples are here, there, now, then, inside, outside, today, tomorrow. So these are all examples of adverbs of time and place and do not end in ly. But the adverb daily, daily is the time we take, is an exception because it ends in ly. So the adverb daily is an exception to this rule. Though it ends in ly, it does not mean adverb of manner but is adverb of time. That is when it is taking place. It is being done daily. So not all adverbs end in ly. Adverbs of time and place do not normally take ly or end in ly. Examples are here, there, now, then, inside, outside, today, tomorrow. These are all examples of adverbs of time and place. The adverb daily is an exception to this rule, though it ends in ly, but it belongs to adverb of time. So these are all the examples. So let us see some examples of adverbs of manner that take ly at the end. So let us see some examples of adverbs that take the ending or normally end in ly. So proud, proudly. So how is she? She walked proudly into the hall. So it answers the question how. Adverb of manner. Light, lightly. She took things lightly, or he took the assembly lightly. Rude, rudely. He behaved rudely with his parents. So it answers the question how. It shows that it's an adverb of manner. Generous, generously. He gave away generously to his friends. Merry, merrily. Easy, easily. He easily answered the question paper. Lazy, lazily. Neat, neatly. Children were asked to write neatly in their classwork books. So in what manner were they asked to write? They were asked to write neatly. Kind, kindly. Soft, softly. Eagerly, eagerly. She eagerly waited for her father to return. Pleasant, pleasantly. Brave, bravely. The deer fought with the lion bravely. So in what manner did the deer fight? He fought bravely to save his kid. Happy, happily. So these are some of the examples of adverbs that take the ending ly. Proud, proudly. Light, lightly. Rude, rudely. Generous, generously. So it ends with ly. Merry, merrily. Easy, easily. So these words end in ily. Lazy, lazily. Neat, neatly. Kind, kindly. Soft, softly. Eager, eagerly. Pleasant, pleasantly. Brave, bravely. Happy, happily. It either takes the ending ly or the ending ily. So these answer the question how and hence is known as adverbs of manner.